Here we are going to present the result of our discussion about programming ethics. A programmer, also known as coder or developer, is someone who writes a computer software. What does a programmer do? A programmer is writing, testing, or debugging a programs. There are a lot of specialization of programmer, for example data scientist, mobile developer, web developer, and etc. Given the current state of never-ending IT evolution, a lot of programmer is needed now. If doctor have medical ethics, then a programmer have programming ethics. Ethics are guidelines of what a programmer should do when he codes or how to act in professional relationship. A good programmer is expected to follow those ethics. We often describe how the quality of a programmer or coder depends more on their attitude than their technical process. Working as an ethical programmer has a consideration notably in our attitudes towards code and people, and also bunch of legal issues that need to be understood. We're looking for this in the following section. Attitude to code. The ethical programmer aims to write the best code possible. At any point in time, work to the best at your ability. Most appropriate tools and technique will lead to the best result. For example, programmers can use automated tasks that ensure quality pair programming or code review to catch mistakes and sharpen designs. Attitude to people. We already consider some ethical attitudes toward people. As a programmer, write code primarily for the audience of the other programmers, not for the compiler. Good attitudes toward code are also good attitudes to other programmers. Example, do not create software that will make another person's life worse. Legal issues. The ethical programmer understands pertinent legal issues and makes sure to follow the rules. For example, the Tornado field of software licensing. The Association for Computing Machinery, or ASEM, is the world's largest educational and scientific computing society. It has its own code of ethics and professional conduct. Contribute to society and human well-being. Programmers should work to develop computer systems that can reduce negative consequences to society and to improve human well-being. Avoid harm to others. Software developers should minimize the risk of harming others firms, as computer systems have indirect effect to third parties. Be honest and trustworthy. This principle encourages programmers to be honest and aware of their limitations in knowledge and education when writing code systems. Give proper credit for intellectual property. Programmers must recognize and fully credit other people's work, and they should use their own ideas to develop software. Respect the privacy of others. Computer systems are wrongly used by some people to violate the privacy of others, so programmers must protect users' private information at all costs. Honor confidentiality. Unless required by law or any other ethical guideline, a programmer must keep secret and any additional information related to his or her employer that arise from working in a project. It's rare to see programmer who do everything himself. Programmer usually works in teams. And if you are working in a team, this will pop to your mind. What should I do so that others will understand what I create? Here is the list of basic things that you should and shouldn't do. Naming convention. Do follow the naming convention the team agreed to. Example of naming convention is camel case and snake case. Don't disobeying the agreement. Modular code. Do write modular as it can shorten your code, make it reusable, and people can understand it easier. Don't write code in a large block. It will be harder to read and debugging. It will be hell. Readability. Do your code should have proper indentation and easy to understand names. Don't use not very representative names. Example SSD, A or B. Ignore indentation. It's okay if your code becomes longer, as it becomes easier to read and understand.